everybody, Dr. Nolte here. I'm just on hold trying to file a complaint with the Customer Service Department of the Iowa Democratic Party. Been on hold here for a long time, just like all of us have been for those results that were supposed to drop about 9:15 to 9:30 last night. Unfortunately, there were errors with the Iowa Democratic Party's app, and so we're still waiting on results. Less than 1% of precincts report. Wait. Oh, nope, they're just telling me that I'm 50th in line. That's not a good sign. It's unclear right now, obviously, what the impact of Iowa is going to be. You know, if you were one of the candidates who was hoping for a boost after winning the Iowa primary, you're probably moving on to New Hampshire, not really sure what you're going to get, trying to spin it as a victory without any results. And so does this put in question Iowa's first in the nation status moving forward in future primaries? It's too early to say, but given that this is the second Democratic Caucus in Iowa in 2 consecutive cycles that's had an issue, I think we have to wait. Oh, no, they're just changing the hold music. Now the hold music is Don't Stop Believin' by Journey. I wonder if they're trying to tell us something. Anyway, this is definitely a disaster for the Iowa Democratic Party. It's probably going to fuel some conspiracy theories from folks who are supporting Bernie Sanders. Even Joe Biden this morning was coming out with a statement telling them that they really need to explain this acute failure. Well, I'll tell you what could explain this acute failure. Regent University's Robertson School of Government in our national security program has a cybersecurity concentration. Maybe the Iowa Democratic Party should have hired some Regent grads to provide security on their app. Oh, come on in.
Hey, Dr. Nolte, you been able to get through yet?
No, not yet. I'm still, wait, hold on. Oh, here we go.
Oh, good.
Yes, hello, yes. I would like to file a complaint with the Iowa Democratic Party's customer service. They hung up on me. I guess their call volume of complaints is pretty high this morning. Well, I guess we'll have to say, as the famous Patriots coach Bill Belichick once said, on to New Hampshire. I'm Dr. Nolte for Blind Politics, signing off.